The overall goal of this procedure is to provide a detailed and updated method for intermediate scale synthesis of 1,2,3,4,5 Pentamethylcyclopentadiene, or CP*H.
This method improves upon prior preparations of CP*H, a valuable ligand in organometallic chemistry, by eliminating the need for mechanical stirring and by providing a safer quenching of excess lithium.
The main advantage of this technique is that the CP*H can be prepared in significant quantities in a safe manner using minimal amount of specialized glassware and equipment.
Visual demonstration of this method is important as the reagents used in the procedure are air and water reactive at certain steps and because controlled quenching of excess lithium is necessary.
To begin the procedure, in a clean, empty hood, place 200 milliliters of hexanes in a beaker and cover the beaker with a watch glass. Place a piece of paper towel in the hood. Then cut a half-inch piece of lithium wire stored in mineral oil with clean scissors. Wipe the lithium wire piece on the paper towel until no oil is visible on the wire surface. Place the lithium wire in the beaker of hexanes. Cut approximately 14 grams in this way. Then tare a covered beaker containing 100 milliliters of hexanes. Place a fresh piece of paper towel in the hood. Using tongs, remove a piece of lithium wire from the larger beaker of hexanes. Quickly wipe the piece on the clean paper towel and place the piece in the tared beaker. Transfer 14 grams of lithium wire into the tared beaker in this way. Store any excess lithium in mineral oil.